going on YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded, she's the bobber. And I don't know if you noticed, my arm's a little high today. I wonder why. It's these Ginz Choppers. I'm going to put a link in the description below. If you guys haven't seen, Meatball Rebel has a pair of these also. But I believe he has the Mercenary, where I have the Mayhem. These are 10-inch bars. They let me keep these mirrors on here. Just one of the mods I've been wanting to show you guys. I've also got a sissy bar on the back. Yes, sir. And I'm going to pull over and show you guys that here soon. But just wanted to get out here, give you guys a moto vlog. I haven't actually been able to get on the bike for a couple weeks. So I've been wanting to just ride. Get out here, get a video going. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Can you guys believe this shit? Like, of course you can. You sub to my channel. If you're watching this right now and you're not subbed to my channel, hit that sub button, because I think I'm a fun guy, and so do almost 1,000 other people. Oh man, it's been so much fun doing this. It's been a blast, man. I can't get enough of it. And changing up the bike, I know there's gonna be people that don't like the way I changed up the bike, but the bike's my bike, so that's what I do. I want to ride it. It's not for other people to ride. So man, well, on his drum, hell yeah, go out there and ride that shit. It's been a great day for motorcycles, man. It's just it's like 70 degrees almost. Well, probably right now about 63. It was 70 degrees most of the day. Got out, met up with some people. I got a video coming out about that soon too. I wasn't actually on the bike for that, so I had to get home and get on the bike, and he knew it as well. It was like he's missing his bike, so I'm out here on the bike. I am going to be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. All right, there'll be rules and all that stuff in that video when it finally happens. You know, the basic stuff. You got to be subbed to the channel. You'll have to prove it along that time. I'll probably have you guys ask me some questions, and I'll do a drawing a week later, blah, 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 blah. All that crazy stuff. I got more gear review videos and stuff like that coming soon. I just really wanted to get out on the bike and share that experience with you guys with the new mods. And the new just shit going on, you know, like, that's what this is for. My moto vlog. How's it go, Dazzle? Moto vlogging. Like, it gets stuck in your head when you watch it all the time. And it's not just me, I know I did it to everybody else. Get open rotor and everybody else get old kick. Oh man, I hope you guys are having good weather where you are. We're finally getting some good weather after a couple weeks. What's up, man? Yeah. Oh, man, I feel good today. I'm going to get stuck by this train, though, when we get around this bend. Ah! What is happening? Woo! Oh, hear that exhaust? I do got to admit, today I was at Bert's Motorcycle Mega Mall, I think is what it was called, and they had some beautiful Triumph bikes there. I'm not getting rid of my bike. Everybody thinks that the second you talk about another bike, it's like being in a relationship and you talk about another girl. It's window shopping. That's it. I'm allowed to look, girl. I'm allowed. She's gonna start cutting out. Oh, are we gonna beat it? Woohoo! I got Bombshell behind me, so I can't just run it. But it's all good if we don't make it. I can get off the bike and show you guys around it. But man, that thing is going slow. So if we can beat it, we need to. Oh yeah, get back in these bins. Woo! Whoa! Gotta watch out with these roads. The rain destroyed some of these roads. Ooh. Yep, we gotta get through here. Bop, bop. buddy. so good. But what I was saying, looking at these Triumph bikes, man, they were really nice. I hadn't actually gotten to go out and see the beardedbobber in person, and they had a Rocket 3 there. That thing feels like a monster. I can't wait to see like the brand new one that they got in the works. But I sat on that thing, man, and it's like, Bombshell's just like, that is so tall and it's wide. Like, I'm like, but it's cool as hell. I was like, man, I feel like I could run cars over with that damn thing. Oh, man. Oh, we were chasing the sunset today. Need to find a good spot to pull over. Wah, wah, wah. Ooh. What else were we going to talk about? You guys remember? Shit. I don't remember. Oh. Just the mods in general. I finally get to show them off to you guys, let you guys know what was going on with all that stuff. I am going to do some separate videos for the bars, and this bike is ABS. So to do this bike, you got to change the ABS line completely back. So it's a whole nother story than putting mini apes on a non-ABS bobber or scalp. It's a whole thing. I'm going to make a whole nother video about it. You can DM me in Instagram or something, let me know if you have any more questions, and I'm going to try to get that video out here soon. And then my Ginz Choppers sissy bar is just bitching. It's got a really cool bracket setup, really nice finish to it, sturdy. I really like it. Hopefully soon I can get my sissy bar bag video done for Viking Cycle. They were kind enough to send me a bag, and I get to let you guys see it for the price, and so far the quality is great. I just really want to test it out as well. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna have to get pulled over here shortly. Where is that picket fence? It's up here. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna try to work on some new music with you guys too, so hope you guys like that stuff. I don't know, we'll see. Oh shit. He's having fun. Alright guys, let me get off the bike and show you around it. Are you guys ready? Here it is. Just kidding. There it is. Oh, look at that. Would you look at it? Yeah. So, here's the bar. Got these really slick brackets on here. I'm going to make a full video about this, guys. Hopefully you guys can see it. I got my GoPro on my chin right now, so not more where my eyes are. Still got to figure that stuff out. This Bombshell in the background. She's making her video. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, whether you like it or not. And, well, if not, then I want to know what you guys are doing to your bobbers. Yeah, because so far, I'm liking this sexy beast. Well. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up, guys, actually. Because me and Bombshell got a little bit more riding to do. And before that sun is completely down. Man. Love being back on the bike. Yeah. I love all this green and everything from the rain. It's beautiful. But fuck off for a little while. I want to ride my bike. All right, you guys. You already know what I'm going to say. Stay safe. Stay classy.